Okay, so now we're going to assemble all our parts together. I'll start with the main body. So we'll do a sketch of our main body here. Remember, like a Y. Then we'll do so here's our main body without the curved side. So we'll do our little curves on it. And in SolidWorks, this is also called filleting. So if you use the fillet tool, you can fillet corners to a round. So we'll fillet this bottom one as well. So we're going to complete our body. Then we need to add our suspensions first. So I'll add my first suspension on this side. So what I'll do is just a bit lower. I'll draw the suspension like I've practiced on my, and then I'll go down with this. And here I'll draw my suspension link. With the little hole in, and then I'll have my shaft coming from my, then I'll do my wheels. I'll add my wheels. So to add the wheels, you're just going to add little blocks here. And another block here. And then we'll put our wheels in each block. So you can refer back to your practice drawings. My wheel up, the double line for my aluminium wheel. Then here. The same for that. Now for this side, I'll only see maybe that part of the suspension. So I'll draw a little rectangle shape there, and I'll go down with the suspension there. And we might only see the one wheel because the rest will be hidden from plain sight. So I'll just probably see my one wheel there. And if you use this method, complex drawings can become really easy to draw, because and then we can add our pattern on the wheel. So now we've done a wheel, the suspension, the main body, and we assembled all of that together.